to Creative Nerds. In this short Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a film grain noise effect and apply it to any photo. So let's start off by creating a new layer adjustment, and we want it to be black and white. We're then going to duplicate our photo layer, and then we're going to head over to filter gallery, and then this will bring up some options, and the one that we want to choose is film grain. We want to change the grain to be 10, and then we want the highlight area to be 1 and the intensity to be 6. So that's okay, and there you go. We've created a retro film grain noise effect in a matter of seconds, and this effect can be applied to any photo. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.